had another salacious moment, one of my favorite moments ever. And this kind of was, I've been doing this a while. And in Alaska, we've progressed from frontier law, where it was just wild, wild west law up here, to really standardized, Starbucks law. Or like that, where it's like, you know what you're going to get for the most part, depending on what the facts are when you walk into court. I can tell a client from the consultation, I can almost tell them their future and tell them where their case is going to go. But anyways, in the old days, when I first started out, it was actually a probate case, a guardianship case. And we went into this hearing, and this was a hearing, we probably had like 8 attorneys representing different parties in the same case, all in there at once. And when you go to trial, you file your exhibits in advance. I was really prepared. My exhibits were like this. It was thick, tabbed, ready to go. I was planning on a full-blown hearing, but somebody showed up. They weren't prepared, and so they were going to continue it or whatever. Well, the judge in the case was so fed up with it because there was so much litigation about the issues, and the judge really just wanted it done. Plus, he was retiring, and he was a frontier judge. He's not on the bench anymore. I actually like the judge a lot, but in this moment, he was not chill. When he came into the courtroom, I kid you not, I'm not even embellishing at all. He came in, and he had my exhibits in his right hand, right at the base of it, and he just palmed this thing like a hulking gorilla, and chucked them across the courtroom at opposing counsel, and they're my exhibits, and just splayed out across the floor. And he's like, brah, 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 why haven't you settled this case? Brah, brah, brah. And he was like on his last 3 days of working, and he was retiring and whatever
checked
else.
out already.
And that was a moment where it was very hard for me to laugh at my exhibits being thrown at somebody else, because thank goodness he didn't pin that on me and think that they were my exhibits, because holy cow. I was way closer to him. The other guy was pretty far away.
Wait, so he thought they were the other attorney's exhibits?
I don't know what he thought, but he didn't throw them at me.
Well, that's good. He just liked you more. That's what it is, Blake.
I don't know, man.
That's a likable personality.
Holy cow, it was funny.
See, I thought it was so wild that I'd seen a judge give someone 60 days flat for a misdemeanor after the state requested 2 days of house arrest. And now you've got someone like freaking throwing stuff at you like a baseball.
Throwing stuff. Yeah, it was really funny.
It's just not fair, My story was good.